I'm sure you've heard of chickpeas being used in hummus and a lot of other recipes, but have you ever tried chickpea flour? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we get together every week in the kitchen and we create delicious recipes. I'm so happy you're here today because we are going to be making chickpea flour banana muffins. Let's begin by adding 1.5 cups of chickpea flour to a medium-sized mixing bowl. So chickpea flour is gluten-free, it's nutrient-dense, and really high in fiber. It's a really great flour to try if you've never used it before. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of Ceylon cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Whisk together your dry ingredients and then set it aside. Next, in a large mixing bowl, we're going to add 3 overripe mashed bananas, which is about 1 1/3 cups. One-quarter cup of either pure maple syrup or honey. Next, we're going to add in 2 eggs. So you can always use flax eggs here by simply mixing into a bowl 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed and 6 tablespoons of filtered water. Mix it together and let it sit and thicken for about 5 minutes, and then it's perfect, ready to go. 1/3 cup of either melted butter, ghee, coconut oil, olive oil, or if you really want to reduce the fat in this recipe, you can use applesauce. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, which is going to activate the baking soda. This last ingredient is optional. I have 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. You also could use 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract too to add a little bit of flavor. Completely up to you. You can play with them. You could actually add both. 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon of almond. Whisk together your wet ingredients really well. And then add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and mix just until combined. Scoop into either paper-lined or greased muffin tins and then bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 14 to 16 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when it's inserted into the middle. Okay, we are ready to give these chickpea flour banana muffins a taste. They are super moist, really delicious. You would never know that you used chickpea flour in these. Not too sweet, just the perfect amount, just a little bit of banana flavor in there too. Wow, these cooked up so nicely. Give these ones a try. If you've never tried chickpea flour, give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, stay well, take great care of yourself, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Bye-bye.